Hey, what's up guys? This is Neon Monkey speaking, the founder of Monkey Squad. Today I'm making this video just to give you a quick recap on the weekly. We're about 1 hour away from the weekly close. When we switch over to the daily chart, as you can see, we've had some downside this week. I'm going to be making a quick video, so maybe after this one or in a couple videos, on how I turned 0.1 Bitcoin into 2 Bitcoins, a 20x return on this short from 11.4 all the way to about 10.2, and then I reopened the short to 9.6 where I fully covered. I am expecting downside on the following week that's coming up. However, let's talk about this week and how critical it actually was. So the level that I was looking at and everyone else was looking at was 10.8k. This is where Flood and all the big boys essentially of Twitter went long, and I remember some guy made a log. His name is Sari. Let's see. Let's look for the log. I believe it's down here somewhere. He started logging people, seeing if they're long or short. So thinking USD, whatever. Flood basically long from 10,800. Another big Twitter guy, 10,770 long. Small Twitter guy, and then another big one. Everyone was long. I come in. I was like, "Yo, buddy, log me in too." I was like, I'm short. Log me." And then I was like, "I'm short from 11,400, but you could log me in. Short from 10.9, doesn't matter. We are seeing 10.2k this week or the next." I was like, I come in. I was like, I don't give a fuck what you log me in at. We're gonna go down. All these guys are gonna get wrecked. And then he puts me in Bitmex Legend, 10,900 short, and it turned out to be correct. So that was August 13. If you look at the dates, this candle was August 13 over here when we were at 10,900. You can see the dates down below, but I don't have that on my screen right now. And then this is August 14th. As you can see, the very next day we cracked that 10.8k level, and we hit my target of 10.2 within the following day. The next day, like I said in the tweet, I essentially just wrecked these big Twitter accounts. Not that big of a deal, but just thought it was funny, and I'll share it with you guys. And then we bounced off a critical level at 9.5k, and now we're kind of in a chop zone, which is very interesting overall, because I'm kind of curious on how this week's gonna play out. We could potentially open the weekly pump to 10.8 or like 10,700-ish, test it, see if we're able to get over that huge bump. As you know, 10.8 is a huge level right now, mainly because so many of these perma bulls, or so many of these bulls, thought it was gonna hold and it was gonna bounce. Even on the 3-day chart, it looked so beautiful if it was gonna bounce, but it didn't hold. So I think we need to test it to see if the bulls are strong enough to get over that 10,800 region, and if they are, it'll be very good for the bulls. If not, I believe we are gonna see 8,200. I think that's the ultimate goal, getting to 8,200, staying there until at least until October, November area. Then we could go and make higher highs. But overall, that is what I'm looking for. Looking at the 4-hour chart, lots of dead volume. We're no longer seeing large body candles. No more volatility. We're kind of lacking that towards the end of the week. We usually see that every week, towards the end of the week, there's the volume starts drying up, but then as soon as the weekly close happens, volume returns. Usually it's Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. The first 4 days of the week are really good to trade, but then after that, it kind of you want to sit on the sidelines. Remember guys, cash is a position also, so you guys want to sit on the sidelines moving further down the week. This wick was super nice. I believe we should potentially break 9.5 in August for sure. That's what I'm trying to bet on. I'll see. Join my Discord channel. I always talk there, or follow my Twitter. I post my ideas on what I'm doing the following week. Last weekly analysis, I was not expecting to turn 0.1 BTC to 2 Bitcoins in 2 trades. It just happened. So like my thinking towards that was, I was initially long here. It cracked. I got stopped out over here, like I was telling you guys in the last weekly analysis video. We were chopping around. I went long, and then in the last 4 hours before the dip, I flipped short. And then I was like, "Yep, this is gonna go down, down, down." And then I just kept adding, leveraged up, kept shorting it all the way down. But that's for another video, so stay tuned and make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel.